Right, so let's start with the basics, because basics are beautiful. I'm is the short version, the contracted version, the comfortable, everyday version. It's what you say when you're relaxed, when you're talking to a friend, when life is just flowing.
I am is the full version, and the full version has weight, it has presence. When you say I am, something changes in the room, even if it's just a room in your mind.
I love that. Okay, let me give you a real life example. Imagine you're texting your friend at 10 o'clock at night and they ask, "Are you tired?" What do you write back?
I'm exhausted. Immediately, no hesitation. You don't write I am exhausted in a casual text. That would feel a little stiff, a little formal, like you're writing an email to your boss.
Exactly. But now imagine a different moment. Imagine you're in a job interview. The interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself. Are you a hard worker?" And you look them in the eye and you say,
I am a hard worker. Yes, full stop, no contraction, because in that moment, you want the full weight of those words. You are making a statement. You are making a promise. I am carries that energy.
so here's the feeling framework, and this is your key for today. I'm is comfortable, casual, everyday. It flows, it's relaxed. I am is strong, clear, deliberate. It means I really mean this.
And here's something important. I am is also used when you want to correct something, when someone has misunderstood you, when you want to be very clear. Like, imagine someone says, "You don't look happy," and you turn around and say, "I am happy. I'm just thinking."
Yes, that is such a real situation. The stress on am changes everything. It's not just grammar, it's emotion, it's communication. It's saying, "No, let me be clear with you."
This is why we always say English is not a test, it's a tool, and I am is a powerful tool. You pull it out when you need it.
Let's do the 3 real-life examples now. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, example 1, daily life. You're cooking dinner. Someone calls and asks where you are. You say, "I'm in the kitchen. I'm making pasta. Don't bother me." Total natural speech. 3 I'ms. Fast, flowing, comfortable.
Example 2, emotion. You've just done something brave. Maybe you spoke English in public for the first time, or you had a difficult conversation, and later you sit alone and you say to yourself, I am proud of myself. Say that. Really say it. Not I'm proud in a throwaway way. I am proud of myself. Feel the difference?
That's actually kind of emotional when you say it like that.
Right? Because I am makes you stop. It makes you stay in the moment. It's like a deep breath in words.
Example 3, work or relationships. Someone at work keeps underestimating you. They don't think you can handle a project. And one day, calmly, you walk in and say, "I am ready for this. I am the right person." You don't say, "I'm ready." Well, you could, but when the stakes are high, I am lands differently.